This is Vatnajökull, Iceland's largest ice cap and the largest in Europe by volume. It covers around 7,500 square kilometers, almost 7% of the country, and in places the ice is more than 800 meters thick. The dark lines across its surface are layers of volcanic ash, traces of eruptions preserved within the ice. Beneath this frozen world, several active volcanoes lie hidden, a dramatic meeting of fire and ice. From the central ice cap, enormous glacial tongues flow down through the mountains under their own weight. The ice may appear motionless, but it is constantly moving, carrying rock and volcanic debris toward the lowlands. At their ends, some of these tongues meet deep lagoons filled with icebergs. Fragments of Vatnajökull beginning their final journey towards the ocean. Visitors can travel among these floating giants aboard unusual amphibious vehicles, which drive directly from land into the icy water. For a closer encounter, the lagoon can also be explored by zodiac, or even by kayak, weaving between slowly drifting icebergs. Each one has its own shape and texture, sculpted by melting wind and water as it slowly crosses the lagoon. Some of them reveal a striking deep blue color, the signature of old, highly compressed glacial ice. Over decades and centuries, the weight of new snow squeezes out tiny pockets of air, making the ice increasingly dense. Light can then travel deeper. Red wavelengths are absorbed more strongly, while blue light penetrates farther, giving ancient ice its remarkable blue appearance. The lagoon began forming only in the 1930s as the Vatnajökull glacier retreated from the Atlantic coast. Today, the lagoon stands as one of the clearest signs of a changing landscape. Vatnajökull's southern glaciers are thinning and retreating, and the ice cap has lost more than 15% of its volume in the past century. Where glaciers once reached almost to the ocean, expanding lagoons and newly exposed land now separate the ice from the sea. Enormous blocks continue to break from the glacier, drifting across the water before melting or eventually reaching the Atlantic. Every iceberg is another fragment of this ancient frozen world, beginning its final journey.